Hello kitties, as Mikey would say. Changing out an air conditioner today, and we've got a breaker that's too big. You can see this top one I've got shut off here, that 50 amp breaker right there. We're going to put in the correct size, 20 amp. Now this, changing this air conditioner was a 2 ton, or 2.5 ton. I'm putting a 2 ton in. I can guarantee that that 2.5 ton did not need a 50 amp breaker. So here we go, and I'm going to change this out, and I'll walk around and we'll set the charge on this unit, which should be a little more interesting. But I was just curious how many guys are paying attention to this problem with breaker sizing. You're going to find that, at least I do, a lot of breakers are not the right size. So this unit states that it needs a maximum of 20 amp, and that's what it's going to get. So I'll start this video back up in a minute or two. Thank you. Hello my viewers, Dr. Z. And put some stank on it. I think it was you, or maybe it was Dallas, that asked about my boots I made from my Testo temperature clamps. There they are. It's just some thick Armaflex with some Velcro straps, with some holes cut out for the clamps to fit in. And this unit we're using a piston on, because compressor, and I don't want to have any issues with I didn't have to add a hard start kit to it. So we weighed the charge in, but it looks like our superheat's still pretty high. One thing I'm going to do, I'm going to start doing this, so you can see the capacitor is a 35.5. I'm going to go ahead and just write that on here, and it's at 370. Of course, if I ever replace it, it'll be a 440. But that way, if anybody works on this in the future and the sticker's going off that capacitor, they'll know what it is. Don't know about you, but I find capacitors all the time. I can't tell what they were, and you end up having to guess, or jump through hoops to try to find out. So here we are. This is going to take a while, so I may I'll stop this and I may start it again later. But see the clamp. Looks like that's outdoor temperature that we started up with. I measured the line and weighed it in. Looks like we still need a little more. So that's how this goes. Okay, here it is. We're done. Oh, Guardian. And if you look real close, you've not seen this before. It's a micro channel condenser coil. Get in there real close. It's like a radiator. Still a line. That is the actual tubing. So this unit is little bitty. There she is, all done, running, cooling nicely. That's the one I put in 2007, heat pump for the upstairs. This house only had one system to begin with, and the whole house is, I forget how many square feet it is. It's like about 3,000. It's just a 2-ton Goodman. See, it's been here for a couple of years. It's getting a little dirty, but 2-ton Goodman heat pump for the upstairs. They originally had a 2.5 ton Carrier for the whole house. When I did a load calculation, found out 2 ton is going to be just enough for the main floor and the basement, and the Goodman does the upstairs. Been real happy with that. Been able to control the floors separately, so zone now. There it is. You can see the difference in size. Perhaps, maybe not, but this guy's really small. easy to lug around. Alright, thank you. Have fun in the field. Pull some videos so I have something to watch.